A question beyond history paper: why are we so misunderstood? Two Malaysian students taking their history paper exam were arrested because they dislike Singapore or anything related to Singapore. Why? From the point of view of Singaporeans, we may not understand at all. What is the logic? Singapore has been an independent country since 1965, and we achieved good development over the years. Back from Malacca and Kuala Lumpur after a short trip there is no sign of dislike Singapore feelings, no uncomfortable encounters. They even have senior citizens counters to cater the needs of older people. Perhaps these places are different from other areas in Malaysia. I don't know, but we can't underestimate this history paper issue. It has a greater implication than the exam, the education. It will affect the relationship between Singapore and Malaysia. If there is consistently a group of young people that dislike Singapore, especially when the group gets bigger under the influence of social media, we will be in great trouble besides our strong defense. Ng Eng Hen quoted Lee Kuan Yew once again in Parliament. No SAF, no economic future, no security. Therefore, we need to invest heavily in defense. Ng used this to justify his defense budget. We are now in the digital world. A small balloon can cause a big international dispute. Defense is not only hard assets like F-35. We are promoting psychological defense too. How can we improve the understanding of Singapore in Malaysia, especially the Malay community? How can we help the unity government in Malaysia to correct the misunderstanding? It is so difficult. Our sharing of HDB experience has caused a political crash in Malaysia.
Sitting there and doing nothing will not solve the problem. A recent survey shows that 71% of Malays in Peninsular Malaysia are not happy with the unity government, and we know that in last year's Malaysian general election, youths were not voting for the unity government. It means the dislike, the misunderstanding or the misinformation have their roots. In fact, it has become a tradition, from young to old.
Have we overspent money on building a physical defense and neglected the soft approach of education, cooperation, and relationship building?